What's up, YouTube? Um, this video is about my speakers here, right here, and that one. I'm really trying to sell these speakers because I'm just tired of them in my room. Really, they're really nice speakers, and well, there's another reason why I'm trying to sell them too. I need gas money, so yeah. I'm also selling this Xbox 360 here. It's pretty nice. It's not. I know it's the old one, but it's been taken care of. I really didn't play it much. Um, I don't have really much games for it, so yeah. And also, I have this PS3 here that I play a lot. It works great. I have the wireless controller right there. Um, yeah, I'm not selling this radio. It's a piece of shit. So yeah. But the speakers is the main concern. I'm gonna let y'all listen to "Stupid" by Play a Circle, Lil Wayne, and Young Jeezy, featuring Two Chains. So here we go. Oh yeah, by the way, this is played by this RCA, and it has no good bass, but the bass on the speakers are perfect, so just listen.